and we were, everybody. People were well, we said should be 5:30 or 6.
Exactly.
We'll
You
see.
don't have to touch anything, nothing.
Probably still.
The only thing I have to do is
Her
unload the
little
car
whiskers
and load the
tickle
car
you.
in my buddy's van.
Yeah, she's gonna lick off my eyebrows that I drew on today. Yeah.
Best.
So what is this collar she's got?
It is it's called a bark collar. So we have a remote control, so if we're trying to get her to learn her boundaries because she has none. But she thinks that Billy is her chew toy, so she'll go around and pull at his leg with her mouth.
It's got two prongs that vibrate.
But anyway, there's 3 different things that you can hit, but we do the constant one because it'll
But it'll,
And some Gus's fried chicken.
She's a kisser, okay.
Barbecue.
Lizzie's a licker. She is she'll get right there with her little fuzzy little whiskers and she'll just tickle your ear. And I'm scared she's gonna eat my earrings.
How old's Lizzie?
11.
Oh, she's almost as old as Miss Goose.
So we'll be
Goodness, you
Oh,
got
she
me
grows
about
up.
that time.
No, June,
I
July.
know, my goodness.
Well, Lizzie and Billy will be 11 years old in June and July.
That's actually why we got Gracie. Was so we
How old
had
is
punishment.
Sophie then?
13.
Sophie's gonna be 13 in March.
No, I remember before Sophie came, I didn't know if she was ever gonna be able to get herself
Gracie?
straightened out. She just had the hardest
Were
time.
you spoiled?
The bowel thing, you know, but
Oh,
she had so much problem.
Oh yeah, that day that y'all came over to help putting those doors on, and my friend Alan was there too, and she had the projectile diarrhea all over her hand, and it was like we were all in the front room and we all smelled it. It's no joke. It was a river.
Oh,
It was
I mean, it was-
disgusting. Well,
it was-
Mom had to figure out from the pound because my daughter, you know, she had escaped before she went to town, so I had to go back to work. And so Mom and Dad had to pick her up. Yeah, Mom had shit all over her oven downer.
Hey, Rachel?
Yes?
Are you telling him about Maggie, your mother, with Eric Jim's class in the morning, and then she on that bar?
Oh, that's what she